Hari Om to everyone. Om. 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 Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhe Tamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Sri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sri Guru Paramparaya Namaha. Om Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram. Today we will chant Bhagavad Gita. Today we will chant Bhagavad Gita. Please take your texts and we will start learning. And before ending the class, I will give you a proposal. If you like, you will acknowledge it. So start from Gita Dhyanam. I think you remember it. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam. Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Krathitam Purana Munina. Vyasena Krathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam. Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshinim Bhagavatim. Advaitamritavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayini. Ashtadashadhyayini Ambatvam anusandadhami Bhagavad Gita. Ambatvam anusandadhami Bhagavad Gita. Bhavadveshini. Bhavadveshini. I think maybe you are very familiar with this tune. But why this sort of tune? I told you in previous classes. And mainly the tune depends on the pronunciation of vowels. इस जो सुर में हम लोग गाते हैं, गीता means गीतम, जो गाया हुआ है, which has been sung, that is Gita. So what is the tune? What indicates the tune? द ट्यून, ये जो सुर है ये स्वर के ऊपर, स्वर वर्ण का उच्चारण जो विधि मैंने आप लोगों को सिखाया, जैसे अ आ ई, ये पूरा इसके ऊपर आधारित है. तो नेक्स्ट थिंग ऑल्सो यू जस्ट सी, I think you can remember. Please keep it in front of you. Then you can understand. Like like short vowel, जो छोटा ह्रस्व वर्ण है वो क्या क्या है? अ, इ, उ and r. And दीर्घ, long vowel. दीर्घ जो स्वर है वो है आ, ई, ऊ, ए, I, O, au. In the next verse, what we are going to sing or chant, that is Namostute. Namostute. So see, O is getting stress and Tu is small. So start. Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe. नमोस्तुते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्र नेत्र फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्र नेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. Understood? So together from the first. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी. नमोस्तुते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायत पत्र नेत्र येन त्वया भारत तैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः. Then Anushtup Chanda. It was Trishtup Chanda earlier, those two slokas. Now Anushtup Chanda. The Bhagavad Gita maximum slokas are composed in Anushtup Chanda. Prapanna Parijataya Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panay Totra Vetraika Panay Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Gītāmritaduhe namaha Gītāmritaduhe namaha. Just observe keenly, बहुत विचक्षणता से आप देखिए कैसे मैं उच्चारण कर रहा हूं, हाउ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग, where I am giving stress, where I am prolonging the pronunciation, in which swara. So that in that, if you just pay attention over here, then you will learn it very quickly. Together. Prapanna parijataya totra vetraikapanaye ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः. Then सर्वोपनिषदो गावः सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्. Two things here you have to see. First one is, in maximum of your book, it is there, Gavo. Sarvopanishado Gavo. But I am chanting it Gavah. So, in the book, it is absolutely right. And what I am chanting, that is also right. I have learned it from the gurus. What is it? Now, there is a rule called Sandhi in Sanskrit. So, when it is not in Sandhi, or it is in Sandhi, sorry, then sometimes Visarga drops and it becomes Okara. Sometimes it becomes Akara. That is the different thing. We are thinking about the Sanskrit class also over here. So, when it will be chanted without any break, there will be Gavo, like Sarvopanishado Gavo Dugdha Gopalanandanaha. But we generally in chanting classes, we split it and we chant. That is why Sarvopanishado Gavaha. So you please mark it on your book with the pencil, that Visarga Gavaha. Okay. Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dugdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsasudhir Bhokta Dugdham Geetamritam Mahata. So after Vatsa there is Visarga, and after that Visarga ki baad Sakara hai, Sa, Sudhi. So Visarga का परिवर्तन हो रहा है. Visarga is changing in Sakara. Partho Vatsas. So you please write down over there, cutting the Visarga by pencil, because Visarga is absolutely right. But what, while we will chant, some chanting, how we will chant, that should be written on your book. अब थोड़ा पेंसिल से कट के लिख लीजिए, विसर्ग के स्थान पर सकारा. पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर भोक्ता दुग्धम गीतामृतम महत. So generally like हिंदी में जो होता है, हिंदी हलंत वेश बोलते हैं कर्म, उपनिषद कर्म, कर्म फल. But Sanskrit is such a language, what we write, that we chant or pronounce. But if halant is in the end, then it will be pronounced 75%, not 50%, because halanta pronounce is 50%, like karam, phal. But here 75%, not 100%. So mahata, mahata. Okay. I think I'm clear to you. If you have any doubt, please write me or contact me, or write over here, or in YouTube afterwards you can see, you can listen to, and there you can write comment. I will answer it. Next, Vasudevasutam Devam. Vasudevasutam Devam. Someone has written that kindly share sloka in writing. It is in all Gita book, Gita Dhyanam. It is in the first, when Gita has not started, please see Gita Dhyanam. You will get it. In all Gita books, it is available in all Gita books. Okay. Vasudevasutam Devam. Vasudevasutam Devam. Kansa Chanuramardanam. Kansa Chanuramardanam. Now your question will be, why are you not saying Kamsa? Why are you pronouncing as Kansa? That is our learning, okay? Otherwise you know all Gita chanting. What is my requirement? Why are you wasting your time from 11 to 11:30, your valuable time? See, when there is Anushvara on the top, Anuswara's pronunciation follows the next letter. If there is Kavarga, it will be the last letter of Kavarga is Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Ua. It will be like Ang. If Anuswar follows, or Anushvara is preceded by any letter which is Cha Varga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya, the Anuswara's pronunciation always will be the ending letter of that Varga. But if there is Sakara, so the ending letter is not nasal. What will be the, because Sa, Sha, Sha. So there is no nasal. Anunashik varna nahi hai. So the Anuswara's uchcharan hoga wa, wa, wa. Kaunsa, kaunsa. Okay. Not kamsa, kaunsa. So Vasudevasutam, line sutan, because the is there. Sutan devam. Because the is in between the ta varga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. So Anuswara's pronunciation will be na. Vasudevasutam devam. Because ka varga's nasal is wa. Understood? That is the fun in this chanting. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Just think, we have to recall our childhood study and the preliminary. Ka, kha, ga, ga, wa, cha, cha, ja, ja, ya, ta, ta, da, da, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, wa, then ha, sa, sha, sha, visarga, Anushvara and Chandravendu. So the thing is, वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनम् देवकी परमानन्दं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं. See, another thing I am telling you, if you can't remember very quickly in the first stage, if you chant Makara instead of Anushwara, it's all right. Happy? Arey, smile at least. Are you happy or not? It's
Sir,
not.
please, I am sorry, sir, पर which slok I came late, sir?
It is Gita Dhyanam. It's a very basic sloka, Amma. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanu Ramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadguru.
Sir, it is in this book, sir.
In each and every book, no. Today we are chanting Gita because everyone has not collected the chanting books, and I will request you to collect Ramakrishna Mission Mantra Pushpam, because there you will get all the swaras. In Amazon, it is verily available. In Amazon, it is verily available. So, because in our center, Kolkata Chinmay Mission, there is not a single book right now. And the old books you are having, there is no swara. Like I was teaching, Sahana Vavato, that swarita, Udatta, Anudatta, those marking are not there. So you take time. Apart from book also, if you attend the class, you will learn. Enjoy the class. Enjoy the chanting. Listening has a very big impact. I can share you one thing. People, by the grace of Lord and Gurudev, I sometimes sing songs. So people enjoy my classical intonation in the song. People think that I am very expert in classical Indian classical music, but it is not. When I went to my Guru always used to provide me seva. Go here, go there. And in this way, 10 years were over. Then I was occupied in different things. So I cried to my Guru that you did not teach me anything else. I don't know the raga completely, everything else. How should I sing? Then he assured me that, oh my child, whatever you have listened to, that you can sing. And really I sing those things, whatever I have heard. So don't miss the class that you are not having the book right now. Just listen to it. Listening has a very big impact. Some amma has written that which adhyaya. It is Gita Dhyanam, means before starting Gita, first chapter, there is Dhyanam of Gita. Before starting the first adhyaya, Dharma Kshetra, Kurukshetra, before that Gita Dhyanam is there. There you please find, because it is not in order, but according to tradition, we chant few slokas first. Okay. Today let me finish Gita Dhyanam. Then your all confusions will go. Because you are very familiar with first chapter, first sloka, Dharma Kshetra, Kurukshetra, Samaveta, Yujitsava. So we will come. So let us finish this first dhyanam. Okay. The next one. भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोपला भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोपला. In some books it is there Nilotpala, but correct reading is Nilopala. Nila Upala. Upala means the stone, the pebbles. Okay. Shalyagrahavati kripena bahani. Shalyagrahavati kripena bahani. कर्णेन वेलाकुला कर्णेन वेलाकुला. Once again. शल्य भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोपला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला. Then अश्वत्थामा विकर्ण घोर मकरा अश्वत्थामा विकर्ण घोर मकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः कैवर्तकः केशवः. Then together अश्वत्थामा विकर्ण घोर मकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः. Next one. पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् सम्बोधनाबोधितम्. Together. पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम्. Next one. लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमल भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे together लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे Next, the very famous sloka. Mukam karoti vachalam. Mukam karoti vachalam. Pangum langhayate girim. Pangum langhayate girim. Yat kripatamaham vande. Yat kripatamaham vande. Paramanandamadhavam. Paramanandamadhavam. Together. Mukam karoti vachalam. Pangum langhayate girim. Yat kripatamaham vande. Paramanandamadhavam. The another is there in Gita Dhyanam. You will get Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam. We will not go into that. But the last sloka we will take it. Because in our Vedic tradition, whenever anywhere Gita Parayanam is there, we should chant this invocation slokas before starting chanting Gita. So this one, Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Yam Brahma Rudra Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedais Sangapadakramopanisadaihi Vedais Sangapadakramopanisadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Gayanti Yam Samagaha. Together. Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedais Sangapadak क्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः. The last one. ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Together. ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Two things I just want to mention, like yam brahma varunendra rudra marutah स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यै स्तवै ही स्तवै के बाद विसर्ग लगा दीजिए पेंसिल से. देन वेदै, उसके ऊपर जो रेफ है वो रेफ विसर्ग के बदले में कंपोज्ड हुआ था. तो जब हम लोग चैंट करेंगे, व्हेन वी विल चैंट इट, सो वो रेफ चला जाएगा वेदै. एंड इन द नेक्स्ट श्लोका ध्यानावस्थित तद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः, देयर इज नो योगी नो, you just cut it and make it nah. And in the next line, yasyantam na vidussura suraganaha, only gana is there. You please add visarga, ganaha. This is not incorrect, it is written in your book, because visarga dropped because of akara and devaya. Okay, so today we will chant up to that. We will chant again the full set. A lot of ammas have no books, I think, or the books they are having very small books where it is not there. I will request you, please listen to this class once again. I have chanted very slowly. If you don't have, don't bother yourself that I need another big Gita book. Whatever you are having, it is enough. Please make a note down. Write down in your notebook from my chanting. As much as possible, I have tried to write it in a corrected form. So it will be your memorization also when you will write it. Don't bother yourself what you are not having. Rejoice always what you are having. You are having YouTube. You are having your memorization. You are having your intellect. You are having good pen, good notebook. You know how to write. Write it and enjoy. So we will chant the whole set once again, very slowly. Who is having the book, please chant with me. Who don't have the book, please enjoy and listen to it. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यास विशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोपला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः, देवाय तस्मै नमः। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I just want to discuss one thing with you.
सर प्लीज फर्स्ट पैरा एक बार फिर से करवाइए ना, ओम पार्थाय 4 लाइन।
Parthaya, not the time is over. I can do. Oh, you please go through the YouTube, Divakar Chaitanya. This will be uploaded right after. And you know, the person is uploading, she is in Canada. And it is night time over here, there. And she is listening, she is learning, recording and uploading. So you please go through this YouTube, the recording, you will surely learn. Okay. From next day onwards, we will chant with first chapter, first sloka. Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetra. And whatever you are having, please work with it. We don't have many things, but we have a lot of things that we don't know. Start knowing what we are having and start working with them. The thing is, I have thought that Sanskrit problem is that you will be there as long as you will be attached with Chinmay mission or any mission and reading the scripture, because all our scriptures are composed in Sanskrit. And it appears as if it is written in something, some way, and it gets chanted in different way. कोई तरीका से लिखा है, कोई आई है, तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आई ही. So why it is happening? So if we learn little bit Sanskrit grammar, very small way, in 1 month crash course, spoken Sanskrit and Sanskrit grammar in 1 month. I can assure you, in 1 month, you will be at least master in Sanskrit, in chanting. I can assure you. So I'm thinking it will be thrice in a week. Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, 11 to 11:30. I know you are attached with a lot of study groups. Maybe there is a collision between our class and your study group class. Don't miss your study group class. If you can attend. Otherwise, who can't attend because of the class or anything else, please watch it later in YouTube. Please believe me, it's a very interesting subject and very easy. And I am thinking every day that how I can make you ready for this, how you can enjoy the same as I am enjoying. That is a teacher's, happiness, when all his or her students will be equipped and chant together and everything else. So please join. I will write it. So Monday, Wednesday and Thursday, we will do it 11 to 11:30. Spoken Sanskrit and basic Sanskrit grammar. Okay, it will be very interesting. It will be communicating. So you have to maintain a discipline that talking one after one, because this is an online class. Okay, so I hope you have all enjoyed. Hari Om. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Inform your friends and others to join our class, to enjoy our class. A lot of people could not attend because we attempted this basic Sanskrit in last April, May, but it was a physical class. So very less people could come, 13, 14, 20. But here, a lot of people can access it. A lot of people can learn. So take this situation as a blessings. When all the world is afraid, as a spiritual seeker, utilize this time, utilize this medium of studying and teaching and learning. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om. And please connect with the Chinmay Mission Kolkata or your study group teacher. You please talk to them. I will send the link every evening in all the groups where they have blessed me to join me there. I will post there the things. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swami.
Hari Om.